This Wills' team, Young Bird team, out flying tonight. Yeah, we've got quite a strong southwesterly blowing here. They've done a good half an hour or more. But, certainly enjoying themselves. Nice to see. There's 15 to 20 mile an hour gusts. Going quite nicely. Haven't started training yet. But, hopefully in the next couple of days or so. Elizabeth's going well. They're flying better than anybody's at the moment. 16 in each team. However, I'm down to 8 already. A few losses around the loft. Lovely to watch. Let's just hope they can cope with the training okay. Everybody else is having trouble, so don't suppose we'll get away with it either.